Welcome to Light of the Hills Ministries, and today we are going to be reading the Bible verse of the day, and it is Psalm chapter 23 verse 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm chapter 23 verse 3 reminds us that Yahweh is not distant when we are weary, broken, or discouraged. He is the shepherd who restores our soul. When life drains our strength and our hearts feel heavy, Yahweh gently brings renewal, peace, and hope back into us. Through Yahushua, we are not left wandering without direction. He leads us in paths of righteousness, teaching us to walk in truth, obedience, mercy, and faithfulness. Sometimes we may not understand the path Yahweh is leading us on, but his ways are always good. He guides us not only for our benefit, but for his name's sake, so that his glory may be seen through our lives. Even when we stumble, Yahweh is faithful to lift us up and guide us again. His restoration is not temporary comfort, but a deep healing of the soul. When we follow the voice of the shepherd, we can trust that he will lead us where we need to go. Yahushua said that his sheep hear his voice and follow him. As we stay close to him through prayer, his word, and obedience, he strengthens us to continue walking in righteousness. Abba Yahweh, we thank you for being our shepherd and restoring our souls when we are weary. Lead us in the paths of righteousness and help us to follow your voice faithfully. Through Yahushua, strengthen our hearts, renew our minds, and guide our steps according to your will. Let our lives bring honor to your name in all that we do. Amen. Thank you for watching and listening. If you found this to be a blessing, please consider sharing, liking, and please click on the notification button to be notified of the next devotion. Also, please comment below on how we can pray for you and how this has blessed you. Yahweh bless and shalom to your homes.